So this is the Canvas tour for CHE 256, Organic Chemistry 2. I am the instructor, Matt Donahue. And what I'm going to do for this tour here is just take you through these different modules that we see in the Canvas course shell. So I'm in the student view right now of my Canvas account. So this is what yours should look like as well. So let's just go through real quick these modules. So these gray boxes here are modules, and we'll talk about the pages. So we have start here, virtual meetings, Wiley Plus resources, module 0 syllabus, module 1 syllabus quiz, module 1 oxidation state 1 functional groups, module 6 bonus opportunities. So you can't see modules 2 through 5 right now because I have not published them. They do exist. I'm only showing you the work that you need to do right now within the first couple weeks of the semester, just to keep the course shell sort of clean looking at this point. So what is different this semester is that you'll notice under these pages, so within the module there's these pages, you see these little things that say mark done or view. So that's important because as you see these circles over here, they're empty. So if we click in here, start here, and then we read all this, we look at this video, we understand it, we then mark it as done. So now if I go back to the home page, you're going to see that has a check mark, and then you see this little red thing, it says started. So we have to complete all these items is what it says in this module. We need to complete all these. We need to complete all these. These are all just view. So basically, if we click here, this launches the bookings, which was explained in the syllabus tour. And we go back home. So notice now the check mark, we viewed the page. So you have to basically acknowledge that you went into these pages, read the material, understand it. So you either mark it done or you just view it. And so complete all items, complete all items, complete all items. Then when you get to module 0, notice you can't access anything in here. It's grayed out. You can read it, but you can't access it. So that is because you have to finish, you have to complete all these items and start here, virtual meetings, and Wiley Plus resources. So all these have to be checked. This will then change color before this is actually clickable. And again, the reason that this has been implemented this semester is so that everyone understands the course policies and what the expectations for the course are. So once you get into module 0 syllabus, these are basically all the statements taken from the syllabus. You go in, you read everything, you mark it as done, and then you're actually going to have a syllabus quiz, which you must answer questions based on this material. And this is meant to facilitate your understanding of what you're going to be doing in this course. So once you complete module 0, then you're going to be allowed to take module 1 syllabus quiz. And again, you're going to want a hard copy printout of the syllabus so that you can answer the questions for module 1 quiz. All the answers are in the syllabus. They're related to what you're going to be doing for module 1. So once you complete this, it will allow you access into module 1. Then you can start doing the work for this semester. There'll be a synopsis. These are module 1 lectures, or where you'll find the screencasts that you can watch to facilitate your readings for the chapters. So we have chapter 1 or chapter 11 synthesis. This launches the Wiley textbook. HW11 synthesis, this launches the problem set for that chapter. So here's chapter 12, here's the problem set for chapter 12, chapter 13. Chapter 13, problem set. And then when we get to February 1st through February 2nd is when the exam 1 module will be open and you can take it. And once you complete everything in here, module 2 will be available, and then you can start working on module 2 materials. So really, this is designed in a lockstep fashion so that you're keeping up with the work in real time and you're not getting backed up and missing deadlines. There are some bonus opportunities. Again, there's a restriction on some of these before you can start. So for example, you have to get through all of module 1 before you can start baking. The introduce yourself to the class is up here. And again, that's a bonus opportunity for you to create a short 2 to 3 minute video of yourself introducing yourself to the class, because we are meeting in an online environment this semester. So here's the course syllabus. Again, you were just emailed a PDF copy of it. It's archived here again. Here's all that information from the syllabus. Just as a reminder, we are meeting, the course is online, which means it does not meet synchronously or asynchronously. So essentially, you have to pace yourself as explained in the syllabus tour. If you do want to meet with me, you click this link. This launches my Microsoft Office bookings. So if you choose whatever date, you see these different times show up. These are times that you can select that you want to meet with me. Enter your name, your email. If you want to get text message updates, then you then book it. It will send a booking to the calendar in Microsoft Teams to let me know that you want to meet. And then we're actually going to use my Zoom room to meet so that I can use my iPad to answer your questions and draw the chemical structures. So again, you're going to use Microsoft Bookings if you want to meet with me through this link. This is my Zoom office. Here's the syllabus. Again, here's the modules. So the modules and the home page are essentially the same thing. Here are all your assignments. Your grades will be posted here. Discussions, people, pages, files, quizzes. So again, you're going to want to print out the syllabus, look at the different modules, and really do the readings and watch the screencasts a little bit each day so that you're on track to complete the homeworks and exams by the dates specified in the syllabus. So once again, to wrap up, in these modules, you have to complete all items before you can get into other modules that have prerequisites. And again, that's to keep everyone on track so we don't miss due dates, and we make sure that we're successful and the work we're putting into the course is reflected in the letter grade we're getting out.